Alright, here's a tour of our room, guys. Oh, it's nice. Look, they got the flat screen TV in the wall. Nice king size bed. The welcome gift. The mall is outside, so you got the mall, the shopping out there. Let's go see the bathroom. Oh, they brought our bags over here. Nice closet space. Nice closet space. Very bright bathroom. Nice walk-in shower. Oh, that's nice. Bathroom. Really nice for a regular king suite. Floors are nice. Everything's so clean. Safe for your belongings. You got the mini bar with coffee right here. Yep, and that's pretty much it. That does it, guys. It's a nice room.